Ladies and gentlemen, if you want a little behind the scenes sneak peek of some really cool stuff that happens in the bike industry, this video is it. Recently, dtswiss reached out to us to create an absolutely gorgeous custom spec mountain bike to basically just show off their limited edition gorgeous 240 oil slick hubs that they're only making 250 sets of. So check it out. If you want any more details on this build, link below in the video description that has all the parts broken out that you can just see everything we put together on this bike, which came out absolutely incredible. UNNO makes 50 of these frames a year. This one happened to be number 1 of 50 for 2021. Backstory on this build, dtswiss actually sent out their guy Zach all the way from their headquarters in Grand Junction, Colorado to basically build this thing, hang out, and tell us about the new Exp Drive System. So,
yeah.
Gloss us over.
Yeah, so the new Exp Drive System, more durable, stiffer, and more precise. So still offered in that 36 tooth and 54 tooth engagement. But if you really want to know more, check out the description below or on the dtswiss website.
Yeah, there you go. So for all you armchair engineers, check it out. It's good stuff. dtswiss is basically iconic, been around. How long has dtswiss been around?
Since about 95.
95.
So yeah, it's been going good.
Yeah, good stuff. Well, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed that. See you later.
Shit.